right before the end of my shift, one of the other patrolmen had an accident on Remington when he called for assistance. I responded to that accident and proceeded to the accident that was in the middle of the intersection. So at that point in time, I pulled into the intersection and turned to position my squad to block off traffic from heading towards the accident. And out of nowhere, next thing I know, I was struck in the driver's side door of my car and was pinned in my vehicle. The next thing I remember is them trying to pull the car away from the accident. And then I remember the fire department having to use the jaws of life to actually cut me out of the vehicle.
I met Alan, I believe, in 2015 at a restaurant in Bolingbrook. He had his accident, and of course he sustained the serious shoulder injury. Early on in Alan's civil case, we discovered that it was going to be a very litigious case. Defense was going to fight it vigorously. I was going to need help.
Alan had lost his vocation. He lost his career. He could no longer be a police officer. You know, I sat down with him and his family, and you just found out what kind of people these are. I said, I can't wait to get these people in front of a jury because they're so good. They're such a good family. It's exactly the type of situation that we deal with, where somebody needs our help and we're there to help them. Alan had a severe aggravation of a arthritic condition in his shoulder. He had arthritis in his shoulder, but it wasn't something that caused him any problems. As a result of this crash, he got T-boned on the driver's side door, right into his left shoulder, and it aggravated the arthritis from a non-symptomatic or asymptomatic condition to a symptomatic condition. And so every day since this crash, Alan's had significant pain, discomfort, and loss of function in that shoulder as a result of this aggravated arthritis.
A lot of people look at it as, oh, well, you lost a job. No, I lost a career. And then I have a wife and I have a daughter, special needs, so that I need to provide for. And so just the fear of, you know, what do I do after this and where do I go? Joe just made me feel like we're going to take this case and we're going to work on it together. We're going to get through it together. So it made me feel reassured that he was going to do everything in my best interest to take care of this case and handle it for me. From there, it was just a great relationship. And from day one, it was like these guys were part of my family.
These cases live with us. I always have a soft spot for Alan and his lovely family.
Joe called me and said, I got some good news. They made an offer. And I'll never forget the day because it seemed like it was a great aura over the room. You never envision it getting to that point. You just wait and wait and wait. And then when it's finally there, you're at the end, it's just surreal. I can't believe that you finally have some closure. I couldn't thank Joe enough for what he did. I think although the case is closed, it's just the beginning of a new chapter and a new relationship with the law firm.